Learn English and Bahasa Indonesia Part 1. Belajar Bahasa Inggris dan Bahasa Indonesia bagian 1. Short dialogue, percakapan pendek. Excuses. Alasan. Hi Susan, sorry, I missed your call. I was in the bathroom. Hai Susan, maaf, teleponmu nggak keangkat. Aku sedang di kamar mandi. No worries, Anna. Nggak masalah, Anna. Hi Jono, I tried to call you earlier. Hai Jono, aku tadi coba telepon kamu lebih awal. Really? I must have been in the garage. Oh ya? Saya mungkin lagi ada di garasi. Hi Robert, I tried to call you earlier. Your friend said you were in a meeting. Hai Robert, saya tadi coba nelpon kamu lebih awal. Temanmu bilang kamu lagi rapat. That's right. It was very important. Itu benar. Itu tadi sangat penting. Hello, Mrs. Thomas. Can I speak to Erica? Halo, Bu Thomas. Saya bisa bicara dengan Erica? I'm sorry, Margie. She has gone to watch a movie. Maaf, Mardi. Dia udah pergi nonton film. Learn English and Bahasa Indonesia Part 2. Belajar Bahasa Inggris dan Bahasa Indonesia bagian 2. Hey, you finally answer your phone. What are you going to do tonight? Hey, kamu akhirnya jawab teleponmu. Kamu mau ngapain nanti malam? I'm sorry, I was studying before. I have a test tomorrow, so I will probably stay home and study. Maafin aku sedang belajar tadinya. Aku ada tes besok, jadi kemungkinan aku akan di rumah dan belajar. Are you kidding? It's Friday. A group of us are going to go out for dinner. Everyone will be there. You should come. Kamu bercanda. Ini hari Jumat. Grup kita akan pergi keluar makan malam. Setiap orang akan ada di sana. Kamu sebaiknya datang. What time are you going to meet everyone? Jam berapa kamu akan ketemuan? We are going to meet at the station at 9 p.m. Kita akan ketemuan di stasiun jam 9 malam. Okay. Maybe I will study until 8:30 and then we'll come to meet you. Okay. Mungkin aku akan belajar sampai jam 8.30 dan kemudian akan datang ketemu kamu. Great. We will wait for you in a bookstore beside the station. The station will be busy. Sip. Kita akan nunggu kamu di toko buku samping stasiun. Stasiunnya bakal rame. Okay. I'm going to see you in the bookstore at 9 p.m. Okay. Aku akan temui di toko buku jam 9 malam. Learn English and Bahasa Indonesia Part 3. Belajar Bahasa Inggris dan Bahasa Indonesia bagian 3. Short dialogue about dinner appointment. Percakapan pendek tentang janjian makan malam. Hi Betty, how are you? Hi Betty, apa kabarmu? Hi Trisna, pretty good. Are we still meeting later today? Hi Trisna, baik. Apakah nanti kita masih akan rapat hari ini? That's why I'm calling. I'm afraid I will have to cancel dinner. Itulah kenapa saya nelpon. Sepertinya saya harus batalin makan malam. Cancel it? Why? Batalin? Kenapa? I'm really sorry, but I have to work late. I have a conference call with our head office in Bandung. Maafin saya banget, tapi saya harus kerja lembur. Saya ada telepon konferensi dengan kantor pusat kami di Bandung. Well, maybe we could just put it off until you finish work. Ya, mungkin kita bisa saja menundanya sampai kamu selesai kerja. Okay, could we delay dinner until 9 p.m.? Okay, bisa kan kita mundurin makan malam sampai jam 9 malam? Sure. Should I call the restaurant? I reserved a table at the Golden Truly. Tentu. Apa aku sebaiknya nelpon restorannya? Aku pesan tempat di Golden Truly. Okay. Try to move the reservation back a few hours. Okay. Coba rubah reservasi mundur beberapa jam. Great. I'm so happy we only have to delay dinner, not to cancel it. Sip. Aku sangat senang. Kita cuma harus mundurin makan malam, tidak batalin. Me too. I'll see you there at 9. Saya juga. Saya akan temui kamu di sana jam 9. Learn English and Bahasa Indonesia Part 4. Belajar Bahasa Inggris dan Bahasa Indonesia bagian 4. Short dialogue about schedule of meeting. Percakapan pendek tentang jadwal rapat. Good afternoon, Jarum International. Dodi speaking. Selamat siang, Jarum Internasional. Dengan Dodi di sini. Hi Dodi, this is Cynthia from Global Shop. Hi Dodi, ini Cynthia dari Global Shop. Hi Cynthia, how can I help you? Hi Cynthia, apa yang bisa saya bantu? I'm calling about our meeting. I'm sorry, we will have to postpone it. Our CEO is coming to town tomorrow. Saya nelpon tentang pertemuan kita. Maafkan saya, kita harus menundanya. Direktur utama kami akan datang ke kota besok. Okay, can we reschedule it now? Okay, bisa kita atur ulang jadwalnya sekarang? If that is convenient for you, jika itu mengenakan buat kamu. Of course, let me see. Are you available next Tuesday? Tentu, coba aku lihat. Apa kamu bisa Selasa depan? No, my schedule is full until Wednesday. Are you free then? Tidak, jadwalku penuh sampai Rabu. Lalu, apa kamu waktunya luang? Let me check. Yes, I can meet you at 2 p.m. Coba aku cek. Ya, aku bisa ketemu kamu jam 2 siang. That's perfect. I will send you the new agenda. I think our CEO has some new ideas we should discuss. Itu sempurna. Saya akan kirim kamu agenda baru. Menurutku, direktur utama kami punya beberapa ide baru yang sebaiknya kita diskusikan. Great. Good luck with your boss. Sip. Semoga sukses dengan bosmu. Thanks, Dodi. Speak to you soon. Makasih, Dodi. Kita nanti ngobrol-ngobrol lagi ya. Learn English and Bahasa Indonesia Part 5. Belajar Bahasa Inggris dan Bahasa Indonesia bagian 5. Good afternoon, Mandel Industry. Parman speaking. How can I help you? Good afternoon, Mandel Industry. Parman speaking. How can I help you? Selamat siang, Mandel Industry. Dengan Parman di sini, apa yang bisa saya bantu? Good afternoon. I have one of your computer products, but it isn't working. Good afternoon. I have one of your computer products, but it isn't working. Selamat siang. Saya punya salah satu dari produk komputer Anda, tapi ini nggak beres. Okay, madam. Can I ask you what model you have? Okay, madam. Can I ask you what model you have? Okay, Ibu. Bisa saya tanya Anda, model apa yang Anda punyai? I'm not sure. Saya nggak paham. That's fine. If you could look on the bottom of the computer, it will tell you. That's fine. If you could look on the bottom of the computer, it will tell you. Tidak apa-apa. Kalau Anda lihat di bawah komputer, itu akan menjelaskan Anda. Let me see. It's an HW2143. I cannot connect it to the internet. Let me see. It is an HW2143. I cannot connect it to the internet. Coba saya lihat. Ini HW2143. Saya tidak bisa menghubungkannya ke internet. Do you have wireless internet? Do you have wireless internet? Apakah Anda punya internet tanpa kabel? Yes, but I cannot use it with this computer. This is so annoying. Yes, but I cannot use it with this computer. This is so annoying. Ya, tapi saya tidak bisa menggunakannya dengan komputer ini. Ini sangat menjengkelkan. I understand, madam. Could you tell me if there is a blue light above the keyboard? I understand, madam. Could you tell me if there is a blue light above the keyboard? Saya mengerti, Ibu. Bisa Anda katakan pada saya kalau ada lampu biru di papan ketik? No, there isn't. There is a light, but it is off. No, there isn't. There is a light, but it is off. Tidak ada. Ada lampu, tapi ini mati. Okay, that's great. Next to the light, there is a small button. Can you press it? Okay, that's great. Next to the light, there is a small button. Can you press it? Okay, baik. Di samping lampu, ada tombol kecil. Bisa Anda menekannya? Sure. Hey, that's amazing. The computer has found the internet. Thank you. Sure. Hey, that's amazing. The computer has found the internet. Thank you. Tentu. Hey, ini hebat. Komputernya sudah nyambung ke internet. Terima kasih. Not at all, madam. I was glad to help. Not at all, madam. I was glad to help. Sama-sama, Ibu. Saya senang bisa bantu. Learn English and Bahasa Indonesia Part 6. Belajar Bahasa Inggris dan Bahasa Indonesia bagian 6. The weather has been great recently, hasn't it? Cuacanya bagus akhir-akhir ini, ya kan? Yes, I agree. It is not often that we have such good weather in Bogor. That reminds me of someone. Have you met Penny? Ya, aku setuju. Ini nggak sering loh kita punya cuaca bagus di Bogor. Itu mengingatkan aku pada seseorang. Apa kamu sudah ketemu Benny? 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 Benny has just started working in our sales department.
Benny baru saja mulai kerja di bagian penjualan kita.
No, I haven't. He has been on holiday.
Tidak, saya belum. Apa dia sudah lagi liburan?
No, he just moved here from Papua.
Tidak, dia baru saja pindah sini dari Papua.
Papua? He must miss the food.
Papua? Dia pasti kangen makanan.
Well, I don't know. He's from here. Maybe he's glad to be back here.
Ya, saya tidak tahu. Dia berasal dari sini. Mungkin dia senang kembali ke sini.
Maybe? Do you think you could introduce me to him later?
Mungkin. Menurutmu, kamu bisa kenalkan aku ke dia nanti?
Sure. It will be a pleasure. I'm certain you will like him.
Tentu. Akan dengan senang hati. Saya yakin kamu akan menyukai dia.
Thank you. I'm looking forward to it.
Terima kasih. Aku mengharapkannya.